Good morning everyone. We are Group 10 and today we'll be presenting our research titled Analyzing Chatbots in Managing Irate Customers. Chatbots are commonly used in websites, apps, and online platforms to manage customer service. While they handle routine tasks efficiently, they often struggle when faced with emotional or irate customers. This is because they lack emotional intelligence and rely mostly on keywords and scripts, which can lead to poor experiences and dissatisfaction. So, why do you think bots struggle when handling emotional upset customers to human agents? And we are the group 10. And I'm the leader, John Ledvigus, and Adrian De Sousa's member, also Mark Ortiz, our group member. So, before we proceed with the full presentation, here is the outline of our research. This serves as our guide through each chapter of the study. First is Chapter 1, Introduction. We'll begin by discussing the background of the study, the research problem, and our study purpose and significance. Then the next is Chapter 2, the discussion of key concepts. In this chapter, we define the major terms used in our study, such as chatbots, irate customers, NLP, sentiment analysis, and escalation protocols. We include also a review of related literature and studies that support our research. Then Chapter 3, Data Gathering. Here, we explain our methodology, including the survey we included using Google Forms, and how we collected and analyzed the data. The next is Chapter 4, the discussion. This covers our findings and insights based on the survey results and analysis. It also includes our conclusion and recommendations. Then, references. We included all our sources cited in the study, such as academic journals, books, and research articles used to support our arguments. Then last is appendices. This section contains supplementary materials, including the survey questionnaire, charts, and data that support our findings. So, introduction. In today's digital landscape, chatbots have become a common feature in customer service. They are widely used across websites, messaging apps, and e-commerce platforms to assist users with routine inquiries. Their popularity stems from their ability to provide instant responses and operate 24/7, making them an efficient solution for business. However, despite these advantages, chatbots often fall short when it comes to handling emotionally charged situations, especially when interacting with irate or frustrated customers. One of the main reasons is that chatbots lack emotional intelligence. They rely on logic, scripts, and keyword recognition rather than actual human understanding. As a result, poor handling of emotional situations can lead to negative experiences, customer dissatisfaction, and even the loss of client trust. This challenge is what inspires us to explore how chatbots respond to emotionally distressed users and whether they can be improved to better manage these interactions. So, why do you think customers become more frustrated when chatbots fail to respond properly to emotional situations? In this part of our research, we focus on the core purpose of our study, understanding how chatbots respond to irate or emotionally distressed users. With the rise of automated support, it has become important to analyze how these systems handle not just technical issues, but also emotional ones. We wanted to explore whether chatbots can detect when a customer is frustrated or angry, how they interpret those emotions, and how they respond. Another key goal was to assess whether chatbot responses, especially scripted or automated ones, can successfully calm user or make them feel understood. We also examine how escalation works in chatbot systems, especially we look at how well bots transfer conversations to human agents during emotional interactions, and whether this process improves customer satisfaction. Ultimately, the purpose of the study is to help improve the design of emotionally intelligent chatbots. Bots that not only solve problems but also respond with empathy, awareness, and care. So, in your opinion, is it possible for chatbots to make frustrated customer feels genuinely understood? Why or why not? So, the significance of our study lies in its potential to improve how chatbot systems handle emotional and difficult customer interaction. As more companies rely on AI-powered customer service, it becomes critical to ensure that these systems are not only efficient, but also emotionally aware. Our research is especially valuable in improving customer satisfaction. By identifying the limitations of chatbot responses during irate situations, business can better train their AI systems to respond more effectively and empathetically. It also supports that the enhancement of sentiment analysis tools, allowing chatbots to better recognize frustration, anger, or emotional distress through language cues. Another key contribution is in the area of escalation protocols. When bots fail to resolve emotional concerns, seamless escalation to a human agent becomes essential. Our study encourages improvements in this transition process to reduce customer dissatisfaction. Lastly, this research adds academic value by contributing to the growing field of digital empathy and human AI interaction. It highlights the need for emotional intelligence in artificial systems, a concept that is becoming increasingly relevant in both industry and academic discussions. So, how do you think improving chatbot empathy could impact customer loyalty in the long run?
Chapter 2, Discussion of Key Concept. Chatbot. A chatbot is a computer program that talks with user automatically. It helps answer questions or provide services without human. Irate customer. An irate customer is someone who is very angry or upset. They may be hard to talk and need special handling. Natural language processing or NLP. NLP is a type of AI that helps computer understand human language. It helps use in tools like chatbots and voice assistants. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis check how people feel from what they say or write. It tells the mood, happy, sad, or angry. Escalation protocols. These are the steps to follow when a problem needs more help. It means passing issue to someone with more authority or skills. Review of related literature and studies. McTeer 2020 found that chatbots often lack emotional intelligence, making it difficult for them to effectively handle irate customer. Bickmore and Castle 2005 highlighted that simulated empathy can enhance user satisfaction. However, its effectiveness largely depends on proper timing and context. Califato et al. 2020 demonstrated that sentiment analysis can identify negative emotion, though it occurs it by language ambiguity. Huang and Rust 2018 emphasized that need for emotional algorithms to handle customer frustration, indicated that chatbots can mimic empathy when trained with suitable dataset. Berman et al. 2021 advocated for hybrid customer service models, chatbots for initial interaction, human for escalation, stressed the balance between operational efficiency and the need for human emotion for understanding.
Chapter 3, Data Gathering. Data for the research was collected using two main methods. The primary method involved a survey conducted via Google Forms, where 20 participants responded to a series of structured questions to provide first-hand insights. The secondary method was a literature review, which included analyzing information from books, academic journals, and online articles to support and enhance the findings from the survey. This combination of direct data collection and existing research ensured a comprehensive and reliable foundation for the study. So, our survey showed that users were mostly satisfied with chatbot responses, escalation to human agents were appreciated when available, empathy and emotional recognition received mixed reviews, and last, the lowest score was on bots, clearly offering human assistance, which is 4.0. This shows that while bots are improving, they still lack emotional awareness and smooth escalation protocols. So, in your opinion, what frustrates you the most when using a chatbot?
These slides and the next few slides show the concise summary of the key findings of our survey, offering a quick overview of data we've collected. In conclusion, we found that while chatbots are highly efficient when it comes to handling basic repetitive tasks, they still struggle when faced with emotionally charged situations. Even with the help of sentiment analysis tools, chatbots' responses often comes across as robotic or generic, lacking the emotional depth needed to truly comfort or calm irate customers. Our finding emphasized that the importance of implementing a hybrid system where chatbots serve as the first line of response, but human agents are readily available to step in when emotional intelligence or empathy is needed. This combination not only improves customer satisfaction but also helps business maintain professionalism and compassion during difficult interaction. Do you believe chatbot technology will ever reach a point where it can fully replace human support in emotional situations? Recommendations. Based on the results of our study, we would like to propose several recommendations to help improve how chatbots manage irate or emotionally distressed customers. First, we recommend integrating emotional intelligence principles into chatbot design. This includes using advanced sentiment analysis to better detect negative emotions such as frustrations or anger, and responding with more empathetic and human-like language. Second, we encourage companies to enhance their escalation mechanisms. When a chatbot detects the signs of emotional distress, it should be able to escalate the conversation into a human and agent quickly and smoothly. This can help prevent further customer dissatisfaction. Third, we suggest implementing a system of continuous evaluation. Chatbot performance should be monitored regularly using user feedback and interaction logs. So, the system can be updated and improved over time. Lastly, we strongly support the use of hybrid AI human models. Where chatbots are helpful for efficiency, human agents are still essential in providing emotional support and handling more complex issues. A balanced system ensures that customers feel both heard and valued. So, which do you think is more effective in handling irate customers? Smarter chatbots or quicker access to human agents? Then why? So, that's all the topic are presented. Thank you.